Star Delta starting test experiment of motor controlled by time relay. The L1 port of the three-phase power module is connected to the normally open port 13 above the control relay. The L2 port of the three-phase power module is connected to the normally open port 23 of the control relay module. The L3 port of the three-phase power module is connected to the normally open port 33 of the control relay module. Connect the L1 port of the three-phase power module to the A1 port of the time relay coil. The N port of the three-phase power module is connected to the A2 port of the time relay coil. The L1 port of the three-phase power module is connected to the COM port of the time relay common port node 25. The normally open port of the time relay 28 is connected to the control relay coil A1 port. The N port of the three-phase power module is connected to the A2 port of the control relay coil. The three-phase asynchronous motor adopts the triangle connection method, and the W2 port is connected to the U1 port. U2 port connects to V1 port. Connect V2 port to W1 port. The normally open port 14 of the control relay module is connected to the U1 port of the three-phase asynchronous motor. The normally open port 24 of the control relay module is connected to the V1 port of the three-phase asynchronous motor. The normally open port 34 of the control relay module is connected to the W1 port of the three-phase asynchronous motor. The time relay control motor Star Delta starting test experiment shows the experimental effect. After wiring harness connection is completed, open the 4P circuit breaker. After turning on the switch, the time relay starts timing. The indicator light is blinking. When the timer is 10 seconds, normally open contact becomes normally closed. Control relay coil is energized. The motor starts to rotate. At this time, turn on the power. The indicator light starts flashing. When the timing is up, the motor starts to rotate. Timer setting knob explanation. The first red knob is for time delay setting, which can be set to 1 second, 10 seconds, 1 minute, 10 minutes, 1 day, 10 days. Align the red arrow on the knob to the time value you want to set. The second knob is for percentage setting. For example, if the time is set to 10 seconds and the percentage is set to 100%, the actual time is 10 seconds. If it is set to 50%, the actual time is 5 seconds. The third red knob has 10 gears. Change 10 different delay modes. From A to J. A is the power on delay, and it starts closing 10 seconds after power on. B is the power off delay, which is powered on at the beginning and then disconnected after 10 seconds. C is the cycle delay, starting from the OFF state. D is the cycle delay, starting from the power on state. E is the delay disconnection S down key trigger start. F is the delay disconnection S down key trigger start. G is the time delay disconnection S falling edge trigger closing. H is the on-off delay. I is the pulse conversion. J is the pulse output. The three knobs above can be used for self-adjustment.